Oh my God, I can still smell that rose. Oh. Hey dolls, welcome back. It's Una, and today we're unboxing the Ipsy Ultimate for February. Ooh. Now, there's been a lot of controversy with this because apparently there's a lot of rose in it. I'm not a big fan of rose scents. So let's just dive in and see what's going on. So as you all know, the Ipsy Ultimate is $50 a month. You get 8 full-size items and 4 deluxe samples. I also added on something, but I will show you that at the very end of the review. I will be adding the prices, in post. So you will see everything there. So let's just dive right on in. I'm going to start with the bag. Now, I do like how every month the bags are different sizes and different shapes. I really loved January's. But this one, it has a little pocket right there. You can put some stuff in it. Has the legendary Ipsy logo, and it's just so soft. Definitely going to use that, You can use that when you're traveling, I bet, just because of the inside material, you could probably put, some shampoo and conditioner in here as well. So we have that. And what we are going to grab next is from Grace and Stella. This Rose Ain't Thorny Rose Quartz Facial Roller. Now, I was so excited to see that this was in the box because I actually was really hoping that I was going to get it in my Fab Fit Fun box in December. Unfortunately, I didn't. I almost bought one. I love it. It's cold. My husband freaked out whenever I put it on him because it's really cold, but I love it. Okay. I could do that all day. So, let's see what we have next. And it looks like I have from Feel Harmony Rose Petal Facial Mask. Now, I don't like the smell of rose. Sorry. I don't. Even my fraternity, the flowers rose, and sorry, I just don't. Oh! Oh my goodness. Okay, it is a ultra concentrated, you think? Toning gel. Now, oh God. Now, if you love rose, this is totally your deal. Let's see. Ooh, do you see that? I just tried to put the little plasticky thing back in. It's already peeling off on the side. I do not like that. Ew. Lovely. Okay, well, it does say feel and look your best. Rich in rose petals, rose essential oils, and rose flower extracts. Highly concentrated toning gel. Yeah, that hydrates deeply. Fortified with vitamin E and vitamin C. Will I try this? I don't know. Do I know anybody that really likes rose that I could give this to? I don't know. I mean, oh, I gotta put the lid back on. I mean, I have really bad allergies. And rose is just one of those things that's really pungent for me, and we'll just put her to the side. Yeah. Okay, so next is something I actually really do like. It's from Catherine Malzarino. I hope I'm saying that right. I'm probably not. But it's her Dream Fragrance, and it just smells so good. And let's see what it says on their website. It says, with top notes of apple, rhubarb, and nectarine that will smell crisp and refreshing. Floral middle notes of magnolia, lavender, and peony. And then warm bottom notes of amber, tonka, musk, and vanilla. And it smells really good. But it's like a really nice blend of stuff. And you know, but I want to wear this every day? No. Does one pump work? You betcha. But this is really nice. You know, I've worn it a few times already and I've gotten some compliments with it. So now let's dive right on into the Duce Cosmetics Punk Volumizing Mascara in black. Now, I really don't need volumizing mascara. My lashes are really long as it is. And then whenever I put falsies on there, they're like really epically long. But you know, who can't say no to a punk mascara? Yeah, let's smell it. Let's see if it has a weird smell to it. No. It smells pretty good. You know, like a normal mascara. Let's look at the brush. It's actually pretty, you know, strong. It's pretty big. All right, and we will be trying this on after we go through everything. So next we have from Nature's Cartel. These are 3 eyeshadow, well, it's an eyeshadow trio, and they are cream eyeshadows. Well, let's look at the colors. Not really a huge, you know, cream eyeshadow girl, but you know, it could work. Okay, well, don't know what this one is because there's no name on the bottom. But yeah, it's a brown neutral. This one's called Champagne Scandal, and that is a brown neutral. And then this is Tan Line, and it's a dark brown neutral. Yeah, let me swatch this one. Ooh, it feels pretty creamy. But I wear these by themselves, probably not. You know, if I wanted to do like a really vibrant eye, I might like use this along with my Too Faced eyeshadow insurance. But that is Tan Line. So I mean, okay. My camera, you know, it looks pretty good. That actually might work as like a good contour. You know, it's a cool, warm brown. And I'm more, you know, wear the cool colors. So that's pretty cool. All right. Oh my God, I can still smell that rose. Oh. Right. And now from Sweet Chef, we have 3 face masks. Now that's one good thing I like about Ipsy. They don't just send you 1 sheet mask. You get like at least 2 or 3. And I have so many sheet masks from Ipsy, it's insane. But this one is Beet and Vitamin A. And it says it's supposed to refine pores and smooth rough skin. Rough. Now this one is Kale and Vitamin B. And it is supposed to hydrate and soothe dry skin. And now the last one is Ginger and Vitamin C, and it's supposed to brighten dark spots and uneven tones. I might actually give this to my mom. My mom has some really uneven like skin tone, so she might actually really like this, and she does like the smell of ginger. So let's put that aside for mom, shall we? All right, and then what we have next, let me just pull it up. It's from Folly Fire. It is a matte cream, well, it's a cream matte lipstick in the color of Sunset Boulevard. So let's just take this out, shall we? It's, you know, it's a really pretty color. Let's see how much product we got. Okay. That's not bad. It's a typical bullet size. Let's swatch it right here next to the tan lines. Okay. It's not my, it wouldn't be my go-to color. but it is nice. I wonder if it will look good on the lips. Alright, so our next product that we have is from Tula, and it is the Purifying Face Cleanser. It has probiotics and superfoods in it. I haven't tried this yet. I will be trying it out soon. Let's see. It says this probiotic gel-based cleanser removes dirt, impurities, makeup gently and effectively. Skin is left looking balanced, clarified, and prepped for skincare. All that in a little tiny tube. Okay. Alright, and next we have a little sample from Yvette. It is a coconut water cream. Now I do like coconut stuff. You know, I like my creams. So this will probably be pretty good. Alright. Now this next one is in a huge bag. And I'm sure I'm going to butcher this name, but it says that it is this is from Shania B. And it's 5 eyeshadow brushes. Do they feel a little cheap? Yeah. Sometimes that happens with Ipsy brushes, but I do like getting brushes a lot. Alright, and then we have... It's too late for me to even attempt my French right now, so I'm just going to put the name on the screen. It is a lip balm. Now, I do love my lip balms. I constantly am putting on chapstick. So, let's see. Let's put this on. Seriously? Wow. Okay. It says that this is supposed to have Arctic berries in it. Alright, and then last but not least, we have the thing that I selected. Well, it's not last but not least because I have something I bought too. But this is what I selected. It is the Berry Burst palette from Violet Voss. And to be honest, I thought it was going to be bigger. You know, I had a lot of these colors. It was either this or the Makeup Geek one, and I kind of wish now that I picked the Makeup Geek one. But we don't know how it would look, so, you know, we are going to test all this out. Alright, and also, this is what I bought as an add-on for $3 from the Beauty Crop. It is the Pineapple Powder Brush, and it is the number F203. I bought it just because it's really cute, and a girl cannot have enough brushes. Alright, so now we have gone through everything that we've received in our Ipsy box, so let's take a beat and let's try it all on.